KZN versus Free State, make some noise, yo.
You know, it's wrong turn. This is Urban Rebel culture. It's always, we burn bridges. What's this? Durban meets Bloemfontein. When the work is pushing as always. You see it from going onwards. 2026 onwards, it will be a collaboration always. So make some noise.
Ja, vele la kuzoli yokuzongcengwana yabo. Ayibona uJave. Since when usuka kude ke introduce yourself.
Samza Makasana 1841 Lumnika 011 Ngizangalana into wenu ngizokaka. Now let's get to this bars. Hey. So yeah, you know.
Rapper to my right, introduce yourself.
Mshubuti mqhubulo wakhe face lo.
Yeah.
So isiyenziwe ku-twin course yabo. Come on.
Samza won. You won the coin toss, ne? Samza won the coin toss. Who's going first? Mshubudi.
Samza. When you see this face in front of you, kiss your life goodbye. Lamza. Because once I take this out, run for your life. Slicer. Better yet, let me put the guns down and be a bigger person since you're the small like Kabza. But if you wanna dance, it's not jive. Because this Bamsamsi Gaku no man your face, I let it sing like my interviews during a show got twice. Guys, I shoot it up until they know Ziba no hit. Sinus. No, y'all don't even strike me as people look at whips, but I foresee a lot of cries la. You on the stage? Come and model before the legend for 5 seconds. Toyota Hilux. I don't mind getting this pussies checked. I said I don't mind getting this pussies checked. I'm a certified guy now. Yes. But see why you always bring out guns, no matter. I tell him I hate it when I bring it and nobody catches it because I'm saying bars. The K9, young Caesar man fights. You use K9s and Caesar's mouth bites. Utu goats, listen, Utu goats to Namanga with stammer, you getting out of hand of Father Sunday, no span. And the affair, but not in Tombi, I could be on his tongue, or buying China band who know her over gang in part. Bayangitshela abantu who know her okwegenge yempandla. Ngengitshela ukuthi uwekho uyakwazi lokho. Ngengitshela ukuthi uwekho uyakwazi lokho. You useless, you work awunamali kodwa. Uclueless, ungaba nebeef nekhoza who put 2 rounds on your chest intombazane mayihlosi. Out here acting like you the street, singakho Cherry Red Cross. When you face umshobodeli, dawa amaphantsi, it is always a bar first. And angikhulumi ngendaba yokuthi I'm always on track, security like a Transnet. Angisawashayela amabhasi ashawa noma ubani, I'm past that. I'm talking about even if it's your 10, ngidlula nge3 like it's 10:15. Usuke kini wasikahle ukuthi uzoluza manje why the long face. Hey, avele ya literal. Because ubuso bakho ngathi lokho yase old age. Go heavy with the bars, I don't body shame. I don't play the roasting game. But jokes or no jokes, if you're dying, it's all the same. I'ma pop on you and die by my hand like Marvin Gaye. No, stop. Clemena besuthi umbukandini. With your fabricated rounds, uvumela amachathangu bezokhanasa kwela yini. You are what you eat, nginamanga yini. You are what you eat, nginamanga yini. Manje lo hlama mangimbiza ngehashu asulwa yini. Listen. Windota Nayam, I'm signing you autograph. Even if I had a gun, I wouldn't shoot. Cancelled photograph. Once the punishment is corporal. Because I have so many arms. One funny and an octopus. I have so many arms. One funny and an octopus. The only time you get to say tag game is on Facebook. The only time you get to say fuck game is to react to a buying. The only time you get to say shit game, I let it slide. Because we start
Round 1, call again.
You when I sang Stoja.
That was good.
My man. You when I sang Stoja. You better come correct when you're peddling Makasana. You see the rhymes that I've written made me great like Britain and so don't you dare try to test me. I got this so copy with me. I call it Oprah Winfrey. You don't help you open up. I'll pull out a 3-star. Let's pray to the floor. Now take him out. Like a blocked toilet pipe. Call me the city plumber. This balaba which I am so suicidal for this rap shit. I've been told Prosper before the parliament about they are poison. Bitch, I want all the smoke. 20 pages, 30 I said all the smoke. Jenny Stimila Samalash. What you figure the film Yama, the Pogini Sekala Chuku. It is anti-visa set yours. It is anti-visa set yours. It is anti-visa set yours. With this unregistered gun with no license, I'm gonna give you the right to remain silent. But to Samzulela, I woke up and chose violence. He thought he was sleeping on me. Till now he's suffering in silence. Super 16 engine. Wenzani ngicabanga ukuthi uMagaiva bitch nami ngiyakwazi ukusoliphenduka zokushanga chillers punch family yakhe izodinga ufat checker to make sure you still alive. Zokushanga chillers punch family yakhe izodinga ufat checker to make sure you still alive. You fucking pedophile. Esibale nabantwana abayithene and I'm sure that 30 something mawosase busy nama sweet 16 check la netebeni nenzani bitch don't make me crash out. I'll give you a one-way trip no return. Bitch don't make me crash out. I'll give you a one-way trip no return. 1,000 ways to die fethu and chose to perula uMakasana esibalukani kwaluku ibhazinyana so cabanga ukuthi inyosi ngezihlabe which I'm known for lezo kapi buzz Viking star la kimi Crystal ephanga yakhala wena ngale scheme sakho ngithumela kuValhalla yeah sala ma orange the way ngacwali bitch ucabanga ukuthi zondala njengo AKA I'll be shooting these pistols from both ways ngula indoda ngepencil like I'm John Wick ngula indoda ngepencil like I'm John Wick another body bag in my Forbes list send keep my foot esituleni I said I'll be shooting these pistols from both ways Buddha Lindota pencil like I'm John Wick. Another body bag in my Forbes list. Send keep my foot esituleni. I cover the channel in BBC. My 500 ppm lifestyle. Ebafethu ngazodala ngami ngicabanga ukuthi mina ulusi le caba leli lamathayipha ko mina ngiphume esigodini sakuphi ukundwane leli aningitsheli lokho aningitsheli lokho I'll send him back to the hole he came from phela wena bafuleze ekhulela usinkukhu iphephi imbuzi emahlathini lento wayiqala isasemncane nami ngileze ekhule edlala umama nobaba emva komkhukhu nami ngafunda ukushaya impahla ngisasemncane simenye ivali mamboyi mina nawe asifani sibale mina ngikhule ngidalilule nespy 2 mtshava ispansula wena bobhize emahlathini nembuzi zakho ushaya udume ngazo Bobhizi nembuzi zakho ushaya udume ngazo ama back shots njengale ya ceiling challenge yaku TikTok esibale thanga usafunda ukufaka inkomo eDP thina bese skip amathaya emotela ahlile shoplift ama chocolate nama cakes for ukujabulisa ngabhekisana namuntu indlela yami uRace Hawkway 1841 eMakasana amapantsula 10,000 Esibale mina ngafunda ukuvula okapi before ngikwazi ukufunda incwadi. Mina esibale mina ngafunda ne-economics from ukudlala amadayisi emakhoneni. Sometimes esikoleni bangitshela nge-tax, I was not surprised because bengazi emadayisini mangakopa kayi-3 uNoxman kumele athole imali yakhe. Unoxman kumele athole imali yakhe. Emshubateli mina I don't give a fuck sibale ukuthi uyawushaya itaxi kabani usininka bezingakhi mfethu. You can bring your best. I'll always bring the end nigga. Time.
Let's go.
Shoboteli, khala again.
Hey Machita. Ngiyazi ngisekuhambeni but ngiphinde ngikhuzane. I mean ngiyambona umjita ngiyambona mina kodwa na react sami ngibiza ngegundane. With this gun bars moyo ugcwala ijazi when I come at you guns blazing. Okunusi gun you get it. Gun bars after gun bars it'll look like the gun's working. Ukula ngize ngilale ngesisu phansi because my cousin gave me the green light. He said cars do not stop no. Because I got a big old gun and it sounds like a Shaka Zulu theme song. Boom, 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 boom.
Shit.
Gun collection. My gun collection is like daddy's girls. The older one is filthy. She's dirty. Hey, the smaller one is not fun. She doesn't fuck around. She ain't none. Y'all know how stressful it is raising teens. That's how I feel with these pistols. Single parent. No one wanna be around manga being raised 16. My gun talk is second to none. My gun talk is second to none. Shh. Nonke tulan. Oh my God. Ungangitesti, I might put you on a scope and you pass right on. Because I have so many guns, I don't even know where to put them. So I tuck the baby in my stomach, when you face me. I mean, you can't write like that and rap with me. Typical lefty. Buka manje uyahlanganisa yena kuhlangani like amateur cases. Buka manje uyahlanganisa yena kuhlangani like amateur cases. Futhi it's not easily read and seqaleni like in a movie on Netflix. Futhi it's not easily read and seqaleni like in a movie on Netflix. If you didn't catch that by isimo sakho sibad like penguin. Let's go. If you didn't catch that by isimo sakho sibad like penguin. Because you need a high level of IQ to understand what I'm penning. Noma kunjalo you're not gonna win though. Noma ngakubhoza ngecating. Noma kunjalo you're not gonna win though. Noma ngakubhoza ngecating. Even if you arm to the teeth ngiluma kwayona leyo ngala ngihleka. Listen, even if you arm to the teeth ngiluma kwayona leyo ngala ngihleka ngithi insini. Welcome to the pit. I'm going in for a kid. They wonder how I stomach this. I tell them I got the belly of the beast. Listen, they wonder how I stomach this. I tell them I got the belly of the beast. When I Elfes rapper kahle, please umfundise umngane wakho like your friend really is a priest. Otherwise uzodela ukuhambeni like a vacation feast. Yeah, I punch through anything and anyone, Karayan fist. But in Shokoteli I'm like fucking Melanie. I'm gonna trump with this. When you jump from the jump, you fucking trampoline. Who am I? You need a shoulder to cry on, you human violin. You fucking bioslim. You tell Zoe and you positive. You got too much to stay in my class. Go and get a fucking. You tell Zoe and you got too much. You tell Zoe and you positive. You got too much to stay in my class. Go and get it. So it's opposite. The bars, the pants, I want it all. I'm here for it. My gun, pickle like a hypocrite. I'm outside looking for smoking. Zobulawa in nicotine. Plus, I'm outside looking for smoking. Zobulawa in nicotine. Plus, my head locked in. Banjonga guillotine. Ubuso bakho kubukela ngathi ukhulushwa ngedility. Mawungizela ngabo lobo buso whoop that ass ushaya 360 deal with it. I don't care who's deleting. If the footage doesn't look right, I'm deleting. You want to test my code? I let it sing. Michael Jackson. If you want to test my code, I let it sing. Billie Jean. Headshot. Easy kid. Go to sleep. Headshot. Easy kid. Go to sleep. Like you good with the listening skill. The same. Headshot. Easy kid. Go to sleep. Like you good with the listening skill. So on face, I'm not you poor dribbling skills. I'll give him 3 rounds. That will give him a nap of his life. Sleeping pills. Time.
Nice. Fire. Let's go, Sam.
Second round on Sam. Ready? Go! Kalakie.
I heard they was talking about bars. Check my last battle. To share my poster. Somebody said it was gonna be a tough one. First round Uvele was Hanger, Ricky Macado. Another KZN nigga kicking the bucket. Said Kuala Manzeli. Next thing in the for the Maflaza said Tepen. I'm sure you saw my last battle and you thought you were landsliding. Bitch Zala. So what think I choke slam on my last class of mania? You can never undertake me. I am dead guy.
Talk!
So what
Fucking talk! Talk, boy! What you talking about?
Red card.
Shit.
I said I am dead, guys. Red card. Even URC can't cut me short. Everything is paid in full. Bitch, I'm Zwane Kolot. I'm Zwane Kolot. We are Papa when I sang Zule what Bokuluma Ngami. Bad mouthing me. You when I stood in the Gumlo, Manchel Funa in the holes, normal steamer road. It's my long as on Pompeli Fubang Zwatabula. It's my long as on Pompeli Fubang Zwatabula, Lomabelus or Panchada. Look at this guy. You when I saw no one know what to chop cow. Mobuku Kintim would put to Tabangutu Somanda. It's Namia put it in the pocket knife. I call it home affairs, operation to tools, or border spy. Then when I'm sure I tell out there to survive, my case at 10 flats, magic Tabangutu, or swimmer, chippy and stuff low. Bitch Zala. You should not tell I'm a messy lifeguard, man. I'm telling her the water. Shining Pameno Innovado, Paratuzo, matching philophobia. To bring a bar of Shubateli Minangus, and then take over and watch the school as song food to meza. Then take over and watch the PPL will make the cut. Men swap material, less is Togo Samakuna. Then take what you got next for me, Abdul, huh? Don't you look at him Shubateli Garavez or Chonchama Puez, my candidates that went in my fat man. The barrier born of a shower and at lunchtime. Man just says was still about School of Hard Knocks. Bitch, I come from the School of 3 Stars and Crystal Mate. We had Maropani and Nongoloza sitting on the same desk. We said, why Melen Savijele when the classroom at the same 4 corners? Futuba no tell you in Dingalo Yom Teto. Ekasi keeping 3 Stars, we carried short. And this Hatita Blab said, Kumquato. Futuba no tell you in Dingalo Yom Teto. Ekasi keeping 3 Stars, we carried short. At this Hatita Blab said, Kumquato. As to go pending cases, my brown envelope, la wins them sevens. Constable Dallas Pushela Matoke, at Tafule, and I take me 5 cards. Real life shit, I'm taller. I'm like Oscar Pistorius. I've never set foot in a prison cell or a courthouse. I've never set foot in a prison cell or a courthouse.
Talk to that nigga.
It's bad. Those swag pass about to Busubami ain't nothing news, but they have been facing enemies trying to take away my inner peace. But this Okapi speaking loud to those who try to belittle me. Shang and stainless steel. What you talking about? But they have got bent and I was fire ever since. That's what I told them on my first battle. You should know I choose what I should like. I'm telling us places, but you know that I'm fire. That's not even a man. Cheese nigga like in Kauza. Snoop dogging around me, you get smoke like ganja. I'm ghost rider to these demons. They take me Zani Fire Brigade. Samza Makasanas in the building. The URC street fighter, the Okapi capital brutalizer. Take guys in fact, that guys in trap top, team of General that's man. So yeah, I'm still a student. UFS pulling stunt and this bitch is acting stupid. So pulling So I'm still a student, UFS pulling stand, so we had to protest the next stupid. Saying Shahid Tyler's got play. I had a stone on me like David, with one fist in the air, like I'm Nelson Mandela. I was played Zabalazi. In fact, the police would went to his keep a spread. I choose the gang bizarre shakes to protest a cool and I pitch I'm super striking. When I stood to spend, I understood the same video. The mapas were Caswa, Kile Toros is a boss that came about tanking. Now the music work, now the staff sake gas like our baby is fun and Swazi. Music work, or open ufinyelela kuma-back room awukhale epikeni serious njenge-sound yaku-Pornhub. Njenge-sound yaku-Pornhub. Richard that dog ngabiza amaphara, they could testify. Way before this pedal rap shit, that was the hottest regardless of stop sign. And real recognize real and ukringi vara mutavis body. And check uba no pema na clue. Uba no am tuta what you can fight back. Bitch, you don't know kung fu. Bitch, you don't know kung fu. Mebulungu le rapping on uza mumaskandi. Nakhona sazi ukuthi uzophumelela Hussein nomchita Saddam like you'll never blow up Gaddafi. You'll never blow up Gaddafi. I'm sure I tell you can bring your best despite but I always bring the end in your time.
Nice.
Round 3. Khala ke.
Yabo amabhazi akho ngabayahitha ukuba ubuki phansi naseceleni. Le round elandelayo zama ukubheka emehlweni.
That's a personal job. That's how you respectful shit.
How to his soul. To his soul.
Bathi mshoboteli uStar, uCream, abanye bathi ngistofu. Lapha ephaketheni anginalo. Bathi mshoboteli uStar, uCream abanye bathi ngistofu. Lapha ephaketheni anginalo ngisho isent but angimind mabe ngibeka lo cream kade ngaqala ukuba mpofu. Wena usukusho ukuthi unemali mina ngisuke ngibleed ama ngithi ngibonga. Ngakithi bathi ngighost, there's nothing you can do with the dead unless ukwazi ukwenza umkhovu. Ngalahlekelwa abazali ngisemncane, I don't even know how they sound. Ngakhula nga-organize i-search party, ijayi kwaba ukuthi ba-underground.
Shit.
Ijayi kwaba ukuthi ba-underground. Wena ukhula ukhomba ngophakathi, state enyisi udla out. Need izinto ey'mouth watering. The only thing I've known is drought.
How to his soul.
The only thing I've known is drought. You 35 and usondliwa. My, you blessed. Sex with a lazy partner. I only fend for myself. Magliwa legciwane, you probably in the garden controlling pests. Where I'm from, we have ingane ngane fighting AIDS. Everything is cheap and free in your state. Ngapha sithembele 350 and ngwawona ungena late. Yabo, we're not the same. Hey Prosper, this is a mismatch and indlela enginyanye ngayo I'm even ready to catch a fade. Wazi ngokuya ngaphandle kwezwe to go look for work. Ngapha you have a stand breathing at your neck. Uvuke ekseni office ubuye ukhathela ulambile like we my man. Imali onayo you eat a restaurant. Ngapha when you start anyisa udla ngaphandle ma restaurant. You see my pain you enjoy. You don't even know half the pain I've enjoyed. My nigga is in court, usoliwe. Your nigga ufuna court, wonyiwe.
Talk that struggle about shit, dog.
I said one of my niggas is in court, usoliwe.
Yeah.
One of your niggas ufuna court, wonyiwe. My nigga probably not coming home, trying to beat the system, refraining from doing time. Your nigga coming home drunk, beat his wife. What a waste of time. Listen, I had a friend who was a shooter. But when they finally got him, I had to pay respect. I had to show sympathy. Couldn't even put him on a shed. Kodwa ngaye ngangishayisa full. Wazi ngokulahlekelwa inja yakho and can't even mourn him properly because kunama-sides adinga ukuchoose.
That's
Namhlanje uMtuba wonke ngifuna wazi I'm choosing Macaros. With these hand gestures, ngenza amazimba nama-stylos. When we talk about rounds, cabanga umzuliswano wocansi olungaphephile nakhona. Mina ngicabanga indlu yokhokho endilinga engenakhona. Cabanga indilinga yenxeba eseni. When we talk about rounds, ucabanga umzuliswano wocansi olungaphephile nakhona. Mina ngicabanga indlu yokhokho endilinga engenakhona. Ngicabanga indilinga yenxeba engizoshiya esifubeni sakho mase uyashona. Ngicabanga ama-bullets that I stuff in these guns mase ngiyahlola. Ngicabanga ngogesi wempama cima iy'bani mase uyayisola. Save your energy, uyangithola? This nigga, you go on vacation, business meetings, the good things follow. The only trip I ever take is down memory lane and it brings me sorrow. They don't write this type of rounds. They don't write this type of rounds. They all talk that fake shit. And when I rap, it's a date, they all get taken out. What's that I see? For my rings. So much accessories, remember. The only time I could relate is when I was an accessory to murder. The only time I could relate is when I was an accessory to murder.
Yeah.
You have a lot on your plate, Nina Ngwazi Ngishuk. It's a lot of don't haves on this side. It's a lot of don't have on this side. You have a lot on your plate, Nina Ngwazi Ngishuk. It's a lot of don't haves on. Fuck. It's a lot of don't haves on this side.
Oh.
Talk that struggle shit.
Ever stood in court ubone kahle ukuthi uyahluleka. Ugcina usuthi thou shall not judge. UNkulunkulu kuphela ukahlulela.
Hayi mama.
Lapha unayo. Lalela. Lapha unayo ngisho nanomeli lemnikezo kaHulumeni 2 yena ozokukhulumela. Ngavele ngathi I don't want him to stand for me. It's fine ngizoyisukumela. Wena the only judgment you get is ekhaya kini mawulale ngengubo zokusweka ongawagqoka amapijama. Anganina nibazo Mr Price. Ngigqoka ama design. I know this is not the perfect ending, but I just showed this guy this is how you make the pen bleed.
Fire.
Third round in Sandra Makasana. When you're ready, my nigga. Hold it down.
Hold it down, hold it
Fight
down.
back.
Hold it down.
Talk, boy. I said, go 8 ekuseni ngiserest. Wesithini stress. Khona test ezayo but I finished this verse first. Akarep ukusuku bonke he's still dying regardless. Phela mina ngiphuza impethu mangizorepa. I don't need to do a 10 minutes run to show them I'm the one winning. Ngisho mfethu ngisho no Sophia ngomshange 2 minutes run ngitshela ngazombheka kabi bitch I'm so Caster Smith. Ngomkhongoza. So Caster Smith. Ucabanga ukuthi une chance siduda ha? Ucabanga ukuthi une chance BIG. Bitch the only chance you have is to lose weight. Phela mina ngayiqeda icareer yabo ngorepa baseThekwini. Ama upcoming ngalabe sebafikile ngibuze kanjani? Fike pet center ngiphethe ipetrol netos bese ngenza umlando. Kidnap uzapho ngifake isinqanqawe ebhuthini leNissan bitch uqwala ngani? Angithukanga. I've survived many pressures.
Talk your shit. Run it back. Shit.
Mina ngithi ngayiqeda icareer yabo ngirepa baseThekwini ama upcoming nalabe sebafikile. Ngibuze kanjani? Ngifike pet center ngiphethe ipetrol netos bese ngenza umlando. Kidnap uzapho ngifake isinqanqawe ebhuthini leNissan bitch uqwala ngani? Angithukanga. I've survived many crashes ukudlula ko taxi driver. I've faced many soldiers ukudlula umhlangano we-MK party. I've been to many people ukudlula inyama kwaMayimayi eMzulu combined.
Talk your shit.
I said I've been to many people ukudlula inyama kwaMayimayi eMzulu combined and take free Palestine C4 contraband. Lama bomb and blow up rooms the size of Zuma's crib and Kanda. And Devin, if this is the strongest shooter, I reject Lenkabendala. Then call me Kulila Makimbe Skangin. This meat is not halal. Yeah, well, I'm still Muslim and I'm not food the Quran, but the Lord is my witness. Why would I lie? I'm straight from the. Why would I lie? Why would I lie? I'm straight from the liquor store in Nyama Beteng so next door. Wando Mazatu, Majozi nigga Para City. Every day movie production Paramount. Cabo Kanda and Telewakas, Fine Mastermind. Then to an Nanas Nasser Pelam. A simple 2 keepers tagging Tambes Fube is to Bulang and Para Pelam. Man, shout out to URC, Comrades Marathon, the way we run free state. You better protect your neck. Manga Ucheng is of Talajon Charlie Cake. Napsa La Bexunga with 10 passes, but look shiny cake. Oh, like it's cash time to for life. Keep it time minus Bible. I'm waiting set the venues on Zeram of Gelem. Fish then down in nine, and I valley highway in Petty AK, Vazochai with this king Sami Manji, John Tande, Senta Dumzilla Manji. Senta Dumzilla Manji. Man, thou shalt not fuck with my Gassan. Agazami, my 3-star on the demon inside. When I ride, it's nothing less than a double homicide. I'll kill peace and I won't rape against a double homicide. I checked your fight, Kolaninya. And you are far from the best. I'm not impressed. I will keep it right now. I will keep it right now. But I will keep it right now. When I was from them Cuba and it was the Sota Cypher, you thought you were real sick with a spread and genuine Mulaza. What you got now? Without my condom, I get cough without my tongue. What you got now? Without my condom, I get cough without my tongue. When I'm going to have be my question, I'm about controversial, and I'm blue punch cream. As I'm going to pose a Simba Gata Shikana. Let's take this shit back to the beach. I'm sure I tell this body. You can bring up your stuff in the end. Time.
Nice.
That was a good battle. Make some noise. Ron 10 USC partners for life. As always, you know, bring the best, man. Like, subscribe, comment, both at you. Evan Runner Culture is on 10. Let's go. Until the next time.
Hey, let's go.